Want to increase the profits and production of your manufacturing? The people at CNC Experts have decades of experience helping people manufacture all sorts of things. With our help, you can increase your production and profits, get consistent product quality from your manufacturing, and get the tools and know-how you need to make beautifully cut products that delight your customers. This DigiTool CNC router being offered in this listing will cut a full 5 by 10 foot sheet of material. That will give you plenty of headroom and allow you to do jobs that other shops just cannot touch. For work holding, it comes with a standard T-slot clamping table with PVC sacrificial material. This gives you plenty of flexibility about how to hold down your parts. And the strong 6 horsepower spindle is ruggedly built. It can withstand a lot of cutting force and make tough jobs easier. With spindle speeds ranging from 6,000 to 18,000 RPM, you have the flexibility to fabricate virtually anything that your imagination can dream up. The spindle accepts tools with a shank diameter up to and including 3/4 of an inch. That makes this machine well suited for flattening wood slabs with a large diameter cutter or making quick work of the job of milling the spoil board. To top it off, the machine is controlled by an easy-to-use Windows-based CNC control system. This makes the operator's production workflow a breeze. A Windows computer, keyboard, and mouse is also included. The machine is under power and can be inspected at our facility in Lafayette, Georgia, USA. If you buy this machine, you won't have to be alone without support. You can get training on site when you pick up the machine, or if we ship the machine to you, we can train you via video conference and remote desktop support applications. Many of our customers find this gives them peace of mind and helps them stave off the initial jitters of getting started with CNC. And if you're already experienced with using a CNC router, you will find this one a breeze to use. The machine is compatible with virtually all computer-aided machining software that can output a G-code file. Vectrix VCarve Pro or Aspire are a nice addition to the package. Other options include En-route software, Autodesk Fusion 360, and countless others. Reach out to us for a free strategy session. We'll get you on a 20-minute call with a member of our team. Whether you ultimately decide to buy this machine from us or some other machine from another supplier, we'll make sure you do so armed with all the information you need so you can make the best possible decision. DigiTool is a CNC Experts brand. DigiTool is a CNCExperts.com brand. CNC Experts is based in Northwest Georgia near Chattanooga, Tennessee. DigiTool machines are marketed, sold, and supported by our team of experienced CNC enthusiasts. Some DigiTool machines are manufactured from scratch right here in the USA. Others are at least partially manufactured overseas and fully supported by CNC Experts. CNC Experts also offers machines of other types, such as CNC laser cutters and engravers, CNC plasma cutting systems, control upgrades for older CNC routers, and more. We offer new, used, and reconditioned CNC machinery. And if you need something custom built to your specifications, we can make that happen as well.